The great approach to rating certainty of the evidence and moving from evidence to recommendations in systematic reviews and guidelines has been spectacularly successful and is the worldwide standard. Unfortunately, something not so good has happened. It has become too complicated and with 50 grade papers disorganized. We now have a solution to that problem, the essentials of grade, which we are calling core grade, currently appearing in the British Medical Journal. The initial article in this series looked at an overview of the grade approach, and the second one looked at issues of imprecision. And now this week, there is one looking at issues of inconsistency. And it tells you that in systematic reviews, you may need to make a priori hypotheses to be ready to explain inconsistency or heterogeneity if it arises. And then when you get looking at your forest plot, you're going to decide about the extent of inconsistency or heterogeneity by looking at differences in point estimates and overlap of confidence intervals. You may look at I squared, but core grade tells you I squared can sometimes be misleading, and you better be careful when you look at it. If you find substantial heterogeneity, you go back to your a priori hypotheses and apply a sophisticated, but again, relatively simple tool to look at the credibility of subgroup analysis, which we call Iceman. In the end, unexplained heterogeneity, you rate down your certainty. No unexplained heterogeneity, you have no problems with uncertainty. So this week's paper in the BMJ tells you everything you need to know in terms of the core about rating inconsistency in your systematic reviews.